Hey guys, Glen. Welcome to my review of AI Coloring Book Academy. Just for transparency, I do not own this product. I don't do KDP, but a lot of people are always asking me about it, so I thought I would do a review on this one. I've talked to the creator, and this is what they're doing, and it's for real. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through the sales page with you, and we'll take a look at exactly what you're getting with it. Now, I will have a bonus for this. It probably won't be completely congruent because I don't do KDP. KDP is just Kindle Direct Publishing, I believe. I think that's what it is. That's how much I know about it. Anyways, this is how you can make money basically selling coloring books that you don't have to do any work with. Let's make it short like that. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit subscribe. I'm about to hit 10,000 followers, which is really exciting. And make sure you give it a thumbs up if you like this video. So let's go through it. So this is Johnny. He's made $6,823. We are going back and forth with the email. It's a totally legit thing, and I show you what he's doing. Now, there is a couple tools. So okay, let's look at the price here. It's $27. Usually it's $59. There you go. January 30th, 2025, 459 books and 91,000 units processed. So it's pretty cool. Other programs may show you how to create coloring books, but this is the first of its kind to show you the real secrets to getting your books in front of people. So I've probably reviewed 4 or 5 KDP products, and there's another one. What's it called? Bookzolt? I can't remember the name of it. I'm an affiliate for it. That one is actually, I actually own it. I've done it. I put a couple books up because I'm not focused on this. I did not make any money on it, but this isn't my focus. I do affiliate marketing, and I'll get to that at the end of the video. Now, basically what you get with this is you get a step-by-step AI coloring book mastery. You get powerful, paste, simple AI prompts. So this is going to be using AI to do everything. Now, there are a couple tools you're going to need. ChatGPT, which is free, and one is called Midjourney, and I think Midjourney is very inexpensive. These things are usually like anywhere from $5 to $20 a month, kind of, for the AI generators. So failed the 7 reasons why you won't fail anymore. They have a rapid coloring book series creation. Like, in order to create that many books, guys, like 459 books, you gotta be able to do it fast. So they show you rapid coloring book series creation, and they have a hack, I guess, to force Amazon to showcase your books. Copy and paste simple Canva templates. So you're also going to be using Canva. I have a pro Canva subscription because I use a lot of Canva stuff, but Canva is free as well. And some of these paid programs, guys, you can start simple with a free version of it, and then once you're making money, you upgrade. That's how I did it for all the programs I'm in. Bonus: fix past failures, Amazon A+ sales enhancers, and powerful image fixes. So basically it shows you all the ways where you can go wrong. And what happens with a lot of these programs, they show you how to do it, but they don't show you what to do next if your product isn't selling. So what's cool about this is it really does show you exactly everything to do. And it's real success, not fake success. Again, it's $27. It's not like some $5 or $10 product. It's a $27 product because it's put a lot of work into training you and putting all this stuff in. And it's not like the kindergarten, like simple line drawing coloring pages. It's actually real, legit, full scale coloring books. So the disclaimer: yes, it's 100% true when you follow a proven system like what you're discovering at AI Coloring Book Academy that shows you exactly how to use AI the right way. And this is key. It's just like, I don't know if you have this, my mother-in-law, she's like, well, how did you find that on Google? And it's like, well, I asked Google the right question to get the answer I'm looking for. So a lot of people are using AI right now, but they don't know how to prompt it correctly, so they're not getting really the most out of it. So when you learn how to prompt correctly and ask it a series of questions, you get so much more out of it, and that's where you need to get trained on that, which is really cool that that's in here. So if you're not prepared to publish multiple AI generated coloring book series or outsource the minimum amount of work, don't invest in this program. So there is some work involved, but what's cool about this kind of stuff is this is like This is, you do a bunch of work up front, and then the passive income comes in later on. And then, like, the first time you might do it, it might take you a couple hours to do it. The second time, maybe an hour. The third time, like half an hour. And then once you get up and going, it'll just take you minutes to get all the material together. Boom, send it off. Someone puts it together for you. It's up. It's done. You do the next one, next one, next one, next one. And with all stuff, with everything, affiliate marketing, whatever you're doing, it's all about making content. You got to flood the zone. You have to become omnipresent. And that's not saying you have to show your face. You don't even have to show your face. It's just your product or your brand has to become omnipresent. So even if you're going to do faceless marketing for it, you want to make sure that you have a brand that stands out. You have a logo or whatever it is. And that way people go, oh, I saw that. Oh, I saw that. Oh, I see it over here. I see it on YouTube. I see it on TikTok. I see it. And once they see it all over the place, the perception is that it's successful, even if you're just getting started. And what that does is it snowballs into success. So you want to be omnipresent. So you want to make sure you're doing this, okay? Last step you must do in order to achieve success: publishing print-on-demand coloring books. So the last big secret, most people believe that Amazon will magically show everyone your books when you hit publish. It's not how it works. And this is where when I tried it again, this isn't my forte. I was just testing it out to see how it works. And it is very simple to do. You need to find high traffic, low competition keywords. So when you're putting your descriptions in, and you're putting in, like, when you're basically putting it out there, you have to make sure that your title is going to get found. And it's like, after selling 91,000 books, I can promise you that these two beliefs are: Amazon will not automatically show your books to people, and high traffic, low competition keywords simply don't exist. And these are so it's saying it. Most courses you buy will tell you that you need, see, that's what I thought, high traffic, low competition. But so it says that they simply don't exist, and these are the single biggest reasons so many books don't sell at all. But using the simple 3-minute tactic, you'll discover inside, so they're not giving away the secret, you can literally force Amazon to showcase your books to people for as little as $1 a day. So if you're looking for a way to make passive income, and you've been looking at doing self-publishing, this might be a great way to get started with it. And I'm sure that you can apply the same principles to the coloring book, because it's all print on demand. It doesn't matter what type of book you're doing. You could actually do it into whatever you want. It could be how-to books. It could be fiction, whatever it is. Once you start learning it, you could be kids' books. Maybe it could be kids. What are my kids into? The Babysitter's Club. They love all that stuff. Maybe you can do that stuff. So they're using ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Canva are the main tools, and they're open to everybody. So they're gonna. But yeah, so this is pretty cool. Course. So there's the course. So there's 10 comprehensive training modules, and the best money back guarantee in the world. So it's a 30-day money back guarantee. So, and this offer it expires today. So they're only running this today, it looks like. You know what? This is probably generated. Well, you know what? If you're on my YouTube page, click the link below and go through the sales page. And if you're seeing it, then it's still available. If not, the price may have gone up. The regular price is $59, and it looks like this is probably worth the $59. All right, guys, that is basically what it is. So if you want to get into KDP, publishing, AI, coloring book, and coloring books are huge. We buy new coloring books for my daughter every single week because she is a mad colorer and she loves all the intricate stuff. We don't buy every week, probably about every 2 weeks. All right, that's it. Now for my bonus, guys, if you pick this up today for the $27, you just need to email me a receipt or message me a receipt. And I am going to add you to my school group, which is this here, and I'm going to give you access to all this stuff. and you'll have full access to everything in here. And this shows you exactly what I do on a daily basis to make money using affiliate marketing. This is not as passive as the coloring book, because basically this is like you do the work behind the scenes and then you put it out there. Mine is more doing actual content marketing, where you're going to be making videos on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and you can still do it facelessly, but you make a lot more money and you get there faster if you show your face. All right, guys, that's it. So this has been my review for AI Coloring Book Academy. What do I think of it? Again, I don't own it, but after speaking to the creator and looking at what he's offering and the money back guarantee, I think it's totally worth it. Now, I did ask for a review access, and he said no, because of my hidden secret's in there. So you can't have the hidden secret if you don't buy it. So I didn't buy it because it's not my thing. But if it's your thing and you're looking for something, 100% money back guarantee. It's only $27, guys. Go get it. Learn something. Excuse me. I'm always saying to my school group, is like, you got to take chances. You got to learn. You got to put yourself out there. Always be a student. Always never stop learning, and you will get there. All right, guys, that's it. AI Coloring Book Academy looks like a great product. Go check it out. Nothing to lose because there's a money back warranty guarantee. And if you do, you get into my school group, and I'll see you in there as well. All right, guys, have a great day. See you on the next one.